That's clean. Okay. Now you can see if you really look into it, you can see really there's dirt in the grooves. See? Almost there. Now the next problem that we have is there are very light scratches on this top cover, but they're not through the paint, so it makes no sense to paint it. So I'm going to try a very light rubbing compound on it just to see if we can get those scratches out of it. Okay, almost all of the scratches have come out of it just with rubbing compound. Almost all of them. So I knew they were not deep enough. They didn't go through the paint, but at the same time they didn't just wipe off. So anyway, I'm still going rubbing this down. So there's still some left here. Using some super resin polish. Now the cover is polished, cleaned, looks pretty good to me, looks better. Remember how this radio came? Now it's looking better. Alright, now we have this radio back together. It's a lot cleaner. The lamp behind the VFO is fixed. All the switches are cleaned. Contact cleaner. The VFO is aligned. It's a different radio than what we saw 1 week ago. All those switches are perfectly aligned. You have to recognize that all those switches have to be put back on in the right settings, and that's done. So this is a different radio now. Now we can really test it and see how it performs and so on. I'm very happy with this, how it's turned out. It's in good condition, but it just needed a little clean.
The band. Oscar Zulu 9, Charlie Delta Mickey Mouse, George Mike 8, Oscar Florida, Quebec, 73. Thank you, bye-bye, QRZ. Okay, Golf Romeo 6, Uniform Sierra Tango, QSL, Paul, thanks for the coronation call sign. You're 5959 plus into Orkney Island, QSL.